Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can check the room temperature, the current room temperature in your room using the AC unit. See, I have the Godrej AC, which is a 4-star AC, brand new AC, and this is the remote further. And this is the target temperature, okay, not the room temperature. 28, which is displaying on the AC, is the target temperature. How you can get the room temperature, and this option will be available in almost all the AC units. Okay, on your remote, I'll give you the closer look. You'll have one option called mode here. See, there are no name here like mode, but for this remote, this is the mode. So when I click on this change it to humidity, right? Humidity, fan mode, hot mode, and auto mode, and snowflake, which is chilling mode. You need to go to the fan mode here, then see here 31. Now this won't be displaying on the remote, you need to check it on the AC unit. Now the AC unit is showing 31. This happens on the fan mode. So now the chilling mode is not working on the AC, only the fan is just giving the air. In this mode you can get to know your current room temperature. So on your remote, find a way like mode or function, whatever it may be. Try to change to this mode, fan mode, and now check the this one. This 31 indicates the room temperature. If you want this unboxing video and full details of working of this video, I'll drop the link in the description. You can check. If you feel this is informative, see here, it has been increasing from 31 to 32 because the chilling mode is off. So currently the room temperature is being increased, means it is getting hotter. So yeah, I feel this is informative. Please do hit a like. This would be a great help for me, and if you want, you can share to your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.